My name is Rachel, and I am 32 years old. I work as a nurse in a busy hospital. Every day, I take care of patients, making sure they feel comfortable. My life was simple. I woke up, went to work, returned home, and repeated. I never expected love to come my way, especially not like this. One day, a new doctor joined our hospital. His name was Daniel. He was handsome, confident, and kind. The kind of man every woman secretly admired. I never thought he would notice me. After all, I wasn't the type of woman men usually fell for. I wasn't glamorous or outgoing. I was just me. But Daniel did notice me. At first, it was small things. A smile in the hallway, a friendly good morning, a cup of coffee left on my desk after a long shift. Then, he started talking to me more. He made me laugh, he listened, and he made me feel special. One evening, after a long shift, Daniel offered me a ride home. I hesitated, but I said yes. In the car, we talked about everything. Our jobs, our dreams, our past. That night, I felt something strange in my heart. Was I falling for him? The next few weeks, we became closer. He started waiting for me after shifts so we could walk to our cars together. He brought me my favorite snacks and coffee. He complimented me in ways no one ever had before. One weekend, he invited me to have dinner with him. I said yes. We sat in a cozy little restaurant, talking for hours. He made me feel special, seen, important. I started to feel something I hadn't felt in years. Love. But then, everything changed. One afternoon, as we sat together in the hospital cafeteria, Daniel took a deep breath and said, "Rachel, I need to tell you something." His voice was serious. My heart started to beat faster. I'm married. I felt like the world stopped. Married? How could he be married? He never mentioned a wife. He didn't wear a ring. He told me his wife's name was Jessica, and they had been married for 6 years. He said they had grown apart, that he felt lonely, that he had never felt the way he did with me. I didn't know what to say. I had feelings for him, but I wasn't the kind of woman who would break someone's marriage. That night, I couldn't sleep. My mind was full of questions. Why did he choose me? If he was truly unhappy, why hadn't he left his wife? A few days later, something happened that changed everything. After work, I went to a coffee shop. As I stood in line, I saw Daniel sitting at a corner table. And he wasn't alone. A beautiful woman sat across from him. She was laughing. She touched his hand. She looked at him with so much love. It was Jessica. At that moment, I realized everything. He wasn't lonely. He wasn't unhappy. He was just looking for excitement. I quickly turned away before they could see me. My heart was racing, and tears filled my eyes. Had everything been a lie? That night, when he called me, I didn't answer. The next day at work, he tried to talk to me, but I looked him in the eyes and said, "I deserve better. Your wife deserves better. This isn't love, it's a mistake, and I won't be part of it." I walked away. The next few weeks were painful. Daniel tried to talk to me, but I ignored him. He sent me messages saying he missed me. He told me he was planning to leave his wife for me, but I didn't believe him anymore. I had seen the truth. One day, I received a message from an unknown number. It was Jessica. She wrote, "I don't know who you are, but stay away from my husband. He belongs to me." I stared at my phone, feeling both guilt and relief. I knew I had made the right decision. I wasn't the villain here. I was just someone who fell for the wrong man. Weeks passed, and I focused on myself. I started going out with friends, traveling and living my life. I knew that someday I would find someone who is truly mine. Sometimes love finds us in the wrong place at the wrong time. But choosing yourself is always the right decision. If you loved this story, like, share, and subscribe.